If you're an avid Bluetooth keyboard user with your iPad, then you've no doubt encountered such frustrations as this. You cannot use the keyboard really to interact with Safari unless it has special commands, and even then, it's still not all that functional. Wouldn't it be really nice if you can actually assign special shortcuts to your Bluetooth keyboard? Well, now you can if your iPad is jailbroken, of course, courtesy of BeeKeyboard. This is a tweak that allows you really to add an unparalleled amount of customization to your keyboard. You can have all sorts of custom commands, and you can have a lot more control over your individual applications as well as globally as well, as you can see here. Here are some global settings you can assign shortcuts to, and it's really, really easy to assign or deassign shortcuts to your keyboard. All you do is you tap the action and then type in on your keyboard the new command that you want to assign to that action. You can put in one key or a combination of keys just like that. And say you don't like that particular command. Say you don't like the command that you assign. All you do is just tap the delete button like that, and it deletes that easily. And then of course you can tap it again and then input your command again. So as you can see there, I put a command in the up arrow, and you can see my switcher now opening and closing using command and the up arrow, just like that. It's super simple. And this works not only with just those actions, but you can also use Activator Actions as well. You can assign custom keyboard actions directly to an Activator action, and literally that just gives you that much more control. For instance, if I want to just compose a tweet with a keyboard shortcut, I just put in my shortcut here. So I'm going to put in something obscure. Control O works. So let's type Control O right now on our keyboard and notice what happens. Yes, it opens up the tweet sheet just like that. And it's super simple to do. Just Control O and you can open up the quick compose for your tweets super simply like that. Now, that's not all. You also have add-ons, and you can actually develop your own add-ons. The developer actually encourages that. One such add-on is BeeSafari, but this one right here is a basic app add-on that works across all apps, and this is assigned to all apps unless you deassign it from a particular app. And these just perform these basic functions here with keyboard shortcuts. But if you don't like or you don't want that interacting with a particular app, just tap the little blue arrow and then you can uncheck any app that you don't want to use that basic add-on. So you can kind of really fine-tune BeeKeyboard using these options here. Now the home screen also has its own add-on, so anytime that you're at your home screen, these particular functions are applicable. Now here's the really exciting part, BeeSafari. Do you know what that does? Well, I bet you can guess. It allows you to perform various shortcuts or various actions using keyboard shortcuts while in Safari. So this makes Safari a lot easier to use if you're a keyboard user. Notice how this add-on is only enabled for Safari. If I tap the little blue button there, you see Safari is the only application that this particular add-on is enabled for. So I'm going to open Safari and I'm going to show you exactly what happens when I use these shortcuts. Now notice this here, I can easily switch tabs just like this by holding command and hitting the arrow key over. That's what I assigned via BeeKeyboard. All right, so I can switch tabs like that. I can also kill tabs, command Q to close out tabs just like that, only using the keyboard, no touching the touchscreen at all. I can open up a new tab, command T, as many tabs like that as I like. All right, I can navigate directly to the search bar or to the address bar, command A and then shift tab, and type in my address like that. And I can also navigate down or navigate up using only my arrow keys on my Bluetooth keyboard. So it's very intuitive. Anybody who's used a keyboard before in a browser knows exactly how to do that. Now let's open up a new tab, command T, and then command A and shift tab to go over to our address bar. Now let's type in an address, cnn.com. And now let's do a search on the page. So if I use the command F shortcut, you see the find on page dialog pops up, and I can type in my search item, and then I just hold command and then the bracket for left or right to search each result on the page, just like that. Folks, this tweak is awesome if you're a keyboard user with your iPad. You can also, like I said, navigate on the home screen itself just by using the arrow keys. And if you want to, you can even switch pages using the keyboard. You don't have to have any special keyboard with predefined shortcuts. You can create your own shortcuts using BeeKeyboard. I think this is a game changer for those of you who use keyboards with the iPad to type and do things of that nature. This tweak can make your life a whole lot easier. So let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownloadBlog.